Tomatoes, the queen of the garden from seed to sanctuary. Cultivating the tomato, often hailed as the queen of the garden, is a journey that rewards the patient gardener with flavors far superior to any commercial alternative. This guide details the essential stages of tomato production, ensuring your harvest is both bountiful and healthy. Chapter 1. The Foundation. Varieties and Seeding. Before the first seed touches the soil, a gardener must choose between two primary growth habits. This choice dictates your garden's layout and maintenance requirements throughout the season. Growth habit comparison. Variety type. Growth description. Maintenance need. Determinate bush-like. Grows to a set height and fruit ripens all at once. Requires minimal pruning. Ideal for smaller spaces or canning. Indeterminate vining habit. Continues to grow and produce fruit until the first frost. Requires heavy staking/caging and frequent pruning of suckers. Selection. Heirloom versus hybrid. Heirlooms varieties like pink brandywine or Cherokee purple offer complex flavors and unique colors, though they are often more delicate for shipping. Hybrid varieties are bred for disease resistance and productivity. Popular hybrid choices include Better Boy and Sweet Million. Chapter 2. Planting and early nutrition. Tomatoes are unique in their planting requirements. They prefer a slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. If soil pH is outside this range, nutrients may become locked away and unavailable to the plant. The deep planting technique. Unlike most seedlings, tomatoes should be buried up to 2/3 of their stem. This encourages roots to develop all along the buried portion, creating a robust system for nutrient uptake. Fertilization at planting stage. 1. Primary need, nitrogen. 2. The purpose is to encourage lush, green foliage and strong early growth. 3. Pro tip to always test your soil before adding amendments. Chapter 3. Maintenance and midgrowth. As your plants establish, the focus shifts to structural support and moisture management. Consistent watering, roughly 1 to 2 inches per week, is critical to prevent physiological disorders like blossom end rot. Pruning. Illustration. The art of the sucker. To optimize fruit quality, gardeners must manage suckers, the small shoots that emerge in the V-junction between the main stem and a branch. Indeterminate varieties requires constant pruning throughout the season to redirect energy from extra foliage to fruit production. Determinate varieties require significantly less pruning in later stages, as they naturally stop growing at a certain height. At midgrowth, fertilization shift. As the plant begins to flower, move away from high nitrogen fertilizers. Transition to a balanced or phosphorus-heavy nutrient profile to promote blooms. Chapter 4. Pests and Diseases. The organic gardener must remain vigilant against invaders. Effective management often involves integrated pest management, starting with cultural controls and manual removal. Pest identification and organic fixes. First, tomato hornworm, a large green caterpillar with a rear horn. Control using hand-picking or use of BT bait. These are tiny, soft-bodied insects, usually on new growth control using a strong stream of water or spraying neem oil. Stink bugs, which cause yellow, cloudy spots on the fruit skin. They can be controlled by hand-picking or planting trap crops like sunflowers. Disease management. Most tomato diseases, such as early blight, which shows as concentric bullseye rings, and late blight, which shows as water-soaked spots, thrive in humid conditions. To help prevent, always water at the base of the plant to keep leaves dry, and use straw mulch to prevent soil-borne spores from splashing onto foliage. Chapter 5. Fruiting. The final stage. As the fruit begins to swell, the plant's nutrient demands reach their peak. This is the your bang for buck phase, where proper care translates directly into flavor. Fruiting stage. Fertilization. Primary needs phosphorus for blooms and calcium to prevent fruit rot. Caution. Avoid high nitrogen at this stage, as it leads to excessive leaves but very little fruit. Harvest signs. A tomato is ready for the table when it reaches a deep, even color and feels slightly soft to the touch. For the best flavor, allow the fruit to ripen fully on the vine, where it receives a constant supply of sugars from the parent plant. Last, companion planting for success of tomato production. Basil improves flavor and repels tomato hornworms. Marigolds repels harmful nematodes in the soil. Onions masks the scent of the tomato from pests. Thanks for listening. If you would like more information, you can join our Facebook group at https://www.facebook.com/GFTL page.